As a proud gay man getting older, the future is only filled with possibility. Sadly, what wasn't as full was this hairline. When your head looks like an illegally logged Zambales mountain, the view is just a lot less enjoyable. Even after my first hair transplant a few years ago, there was no stopping the untreated area from receding. But what do? Cover it up with cringy hats and other creative distractions? So I went back to Clinique de Paris, a no-bullshit leader in hair restoration with a swanky HQ in Makati. Using the healthy hairs at the back of my head as an ample donor area, Doc Brian extracted and implanted where I needed it most. A Netflix binge and a few fancy snacks later, what felt like a space-age spa session yielded a follicular garden that would only bloom in time.
Hair is growing out real nice.
Past the 6-month mark, I'm greeting every day with main character energy. Like, hey brand new buhok, what's on your bucket list? Why not get bangs? Or go blonde like my dog Carrie? However my hair wants to express itself, I don't have to roll with baldness thanks to Clinique de Paris.